Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how to create many plans normal to the same curve as you can see here on the screen. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then shape, then you go to generative shape design, then you click on OK. Next you click on the XY plan, then sketch. Okay, now you go and click on the spline command and draw a spline like this. Okay, exit the workbench. So now, under the plan command, you're going to find points and plans repetition command. Okay, for the curve, select the curve field, then click on the curve. For the instance, change it from 2 to 5 because we are going to add 5 plans normal to the same curve. Now check this option, create normal plans also. Click preview, then OK. So as you can see here on the screen, we created points and plans normal to the same curve. Okay? Thanks for watching.